Alright, my phone is still overheating. Okay, so yeah, that's how my name was created. Like the dash. My name was created by my younger sister, Angel. Like the dash. My 4-year-old younger sister made that name. Like the dash. So on April 9, 2019, I made my first ever YouTube channel called Likely Dash. And then on May 6, 29, no, May 23, 2019, I uploaded my first video ever on YouTube. Stereo Madness. That's right. I beat Stereo Madness and then I recorded it and uploaded it as my first video ever on YouTube on May 23rd, 2019. My first video ever on YouTube was Stereo Madness. And then my second video was Infinitive by Zorowa. And then my third video was Lonely Travel by Funny Game, etc. Right? And then in 2019, I keep uploading more Geometry Dash videos. I Back then in 2019, I didn't even know how to record. I mean, how to use OBS Studio because I was not using OBS Studio at that time. I was using a free screen recorder. A free screen recorder, that's right. Yeah. And then on February 2020, my other cousin teach me how to record on OBS Studio because the OBS Studio has 60 FPS. So on March 2020, I uploaded my first 60 FPS video called Evocative Disparity by this Mezzo. That level on my first 60 FPS video. And then I'm going to talk about my first Geometry Dash demons ever now. Okay. So my first easy demon. Okay, this is online levels. My first easy demon, the Lightning Road. I beat I beat it on 2018 when I didn't make my account yet. My second easy demon was the Nightmare, and then etc. And then in 2019, my first medium demon is Lonely Travel by Funny Game. That's right. Was that a medium demon? Yeah. It's a very long medium demon. And then my first hard demon, Circus Maniacus by Epic Lucas. A cancerous hard demon. Because I've watched Nexus GD for a very long time, for 9 years now. I think I've watched him since 2014, 2015. I think 2015, yeah. I was only a little kid. And then I saw on YouTube on 2015 called Circus Maniacus. 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 Yeah, that level was a hard demon. And then I decided to beat that as my first hard demon in 2020 because it was a really nostalgic. And then on August 2020 or September 2020 or July, I don't know, I forgot. Maybe around July 2020, I beat my first insane demon ever, Windy Landscape by Windy Landscape by I forgot who created Windy Landscape. Okay. Windy Landscape is my first insane demon ever. And when I got to the really end, I got really nervous. And then when I uploaded the video, I ran in my home as fast as I could and then grabbing my charger to to send the video on my phone to upload it, and then I go to the piece of Wi-Fi to upload the video. Yeah. Oh my god, that was such a long time ago. 4 years ago. And then my first Extreme Demon Accu by Nidgeview. which is I beat it on mobile. That was on April 16, 2024. Yeah, it was recent, 2 months ago only. Because today is June 27, 2024. Alright, so in 2021, I keep uploading Jupiter's videos, and then the video that changed my life forever, I See a Dreamer. Yeah, I didn't know that video could viral. 3.5 million views. That's actually insane. Because when I was a CG5 fan about that time, I've listened to his songs, so many songs. I first listened to his song Among Us songs, like Lying to Me, I forgot. And then in 2021, he released a banger, I See a Dreamer, a song, right? And then, why not? I could make a layout about that song. And then on February 5, 2021, I finally completed my I See a Dreamer layout. I uploaded that on YouTube. And then on March 2021, next month, about that day, I got 1,000 subscribers on YouTube for the first time. And yeah, so on. And when I remember that video, it has over 3.5 million views, which is a lot. And then, yeah, on March 7, 2022. So yeah, I was on a computer shop at March 7, 2022 when my little cousin called Fian Ferb accidentally hit my gums, and then it was bleeding. My gums were bleeding, and I decided to record myself. I decided to vlog myself and recorded that video and uploaded that video on my main channel called Like the Dash, which has over 13.5k subscribers. And then on March 17, 2022, the worst day of my life. Not the worst day, the saddest day of my life. My 13.5k subscribers likely this channel got permanently deleted, permanently banned because I uploaded that video called Gums Bleeding. So what a stupid mistake. And then after that, I made a new channel, a second channel called Not Likely Dash. When I, at that time on 2022, I was making some Geometry Dash showcase videos on my Not Likely Dash channel. And then in 2024, it finally ends. On 2024, my second channel called Not Likely Dash got permanently banned again. I made the same mistake again, which is really stupid. Why would I make that mistake again? Oh man. On my mistake on my first ever channel, Likely Dash, that was gums bleeding. On my second mistake, Not Likely Dash, was my friend was holding a knife towards at me, trying to kill my, trying to kill me, and yeah, my other friend recorded me, and I uploaded that video on 2024, and I just realized I made the same mistake again. So gums bleeding, not allowed on YouTube. Knife threatening you on a friend, not allowed on YouTube. I learned from my mistakes now. And until this day, I'm never gonna make that mistakes ever again. So YouTube, if you're watching this, I hope you recover my Likely Dash YouTube channel, which is has over 13.5k subscribers. I really want that YouTube channel back. No, that never gonna happen. YouTube sucks. Thank you. And then I made a new channel now, Unlikely Dash, and that Unlikely Dash I changed that name to Likely Dash. That second channel I made it. Second channel I decided to make that second channel to my main channel. And today my Likely Dash channel has 269 subscribers. Amazing! 269 is a lot. 69, nice. Yeah. My goal right now is to reach 300 subscribers on YouTube. Like that would ever happen. That's not gonna happen. Never gonna happen. Yeah. My goal is a piece of garbage to reach 300 subscribers on YouTube. Like that would ever happen, right? That's never gonna happen. There's just so many happenings in my life. There's so many things happen. Like for example, I'm suffering from this phone right now, which is still overheating. Even though I reformat the phone already, and it's still overheating. Don't buy Oppo A58. Don't buy this phone. No one is gonna buy this trash phone. I don't even know what to do. It's just I'm not depressed. I'm just so disappointed. I learned from my mistakes now. That I'm never gonna make those mistakes ever again. I can't even get a girlfriend. That's fine. Which do you prefer? A girlfriend or a 120Hz phone? You know, obviously the answer to that. So I can't get a girlfriend. I'm gonna get the 120Hz phone instead. That's why I hate my life. Thank you for watching.